Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You begin by opening Device Manager and focusing on network adapters. This tells you what Windows already sees. Once done, right-click the unknown device and open Properties, then Details, and copy the hardware IDs. Vendor and device codes are the key. Make sure to confirm whether you run 32-bit or 64-bit Windows 7 and which service pack is installed, because drivers differ. This prevents installing incompatible drivers and saves time later. You now search using those VEN and DV codes or the adapter model. Start with the motherboard or adapter vendor site because drivers there are most reliable. Once you locate candidates, verify the package explicitly supports Windows 7 and matches 32-bit or 64-bit. Download the driver package, not random executables. If only an INF file is available, save it. Also, keep a copy on a USB drive. That way you can install offline if Windows Update cannot fetch the proper driver. You install the driver through Device Manager by selecting Update Driver and pointing to the downloaded folder. Pick Let Me Choose if prompted, and then have disk to ensure the correct INF installs. After installation, reboot to finalize and check for a link light and an assigned IP4 address or correct IP6 settings. If it fails, use compatibility mode for the installer, try a generic Microsoft driver, or test an alternate vendor driver. That one troubleshooting tip often resolves driver signature or compatibility problems.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.